बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रबी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. This is the book D3 and this is the updated 7 edition, and today we will do exercise 11A from question number 6 to question number 8. Let's start, students. Now students, question number 6, construct triangle ABC such that measure AB is 9.8 centimeter, measure BC is 6.5 centimeter, and measure angle B is equal to 88 degrees. First, we have to draw the triangle and draw the line using the ruler. Draw the line 9.8 centimeter. This one. This is AB 9.8 centimeter. And now students, at point B, draw the angle of 88 degrees. Put the protractor at point B, and which line is under that line, we take that as 0, and this is from 8, 85, 86, 87 and 88. This is 88. Now draw the angle. Now students, draw the angle of 88 degree. 6.5. This is 6.5. Put at the point B and then mark that point. This is the point C, and now this is the line BC, and join the point A and C. And this is the required triangle A, B and C. Now students, part number 1, measure and write down AC. We have to measure that line AC. Now students, this is AC. AC is 11.6. We have to write it. Measure AC is 11.6 centimeter, and this line is 11.6 centimeter. Now students, part number B, construct the perpendicular bisector of BC such that it cuts AC. Measure and write down the BS. That S is a point where is the perpendicular bisector of AB cuts AC. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. We have to open the compass more than half, then draw the arc on both sides, and by placing at point A and B, no, this is the perpendicular bisector. Now join this point and that point which cut AC, this point, and this we called S. This is given in the question. Now we have to measure the line BS, that length. This is 88 degrees. Now we have to measure the length BS. First we have to match this point. Now we measure it, and this is equal to 5.9 centimeter. And part number 2, BS, measure BS is equal to 5.9 centimeter. And now students, this question is solved. Now students, we have to write the construction steps, and construction steps are the same which we have done uh, in this question. At the first I take the using ruler, draw the line AB is equal to 9.8 centimeter, and using protractor draw an angle of B 88 degree. At point draw an angle at point B 88 degree, and open the compass at 6.5 and draw an arc of radius 6.5 at point B. It cuts the line at point C. Join the line A and C. We have done these steps in this question, and then we get the required triangle. And now triangle ABC is the required triangle. In part number 1 we have to measure the line AC, and in part number 2 we have to draw the perpendicular construction. Now the point of construction for part number 2 is, and we have to write it like that: open the compass with A as center, open more than half the length of AB. Then draw an arc one above AB and R2 below AB. Again we repeat this process with the center at B, with B as center, draw an arc, one above AB and R2 below AB. These both are cut at point these both arcs cut at point. We also give the name of this point X and Y. And now join this point. We get the perpendicular bisector of AB, which cuts the line AB at point S and now join B and S and measure it. And now students, which I have done in this question, I write in my own words there. You also have to do that. These are the construction steps and it is very easy to write. Only you have to understand the concept, what you are doing in these questions, and these points you can write it like that. This question I do not give the point that name that X and Y. You have to give the name where the points cut, and that is X and Y. I mentioned in point of construction, and it is necessary to give them name when you have to write it. And now students, question number 6 is solved. Now students, question number 7, construct triangle ABC such that measure AB is equal to 9.4 centimeter, measure AC is 8.8 centimeter and angle B is 60 degree. Measure and write down the size of the angle facing the shortest side. And that is the point, part number 1. First we have to construct the triangle. We draw the line 9.4 centimeters. Now students, first draw the line 9.4 centimeter. That is the line AB 9.4 centimeter. At point B, draw the angle of 60 degree. That is the angle of 60. This is the angle of 60 and now I have to draw the point 8. This is, yes, this is 8.8. Place it at point A and mark it. Draw an arc. And where it cut, that is the point C. Join point A and C. And this is 8.8 centimeter and this angle is 60 degree. Now we have to measure that angle. We measure the in part number 1, measure and write down the size of the angle facing the shortest side. Now we have to measure, this is the shortest side, we have to measure that angle and this angle is, and this is equal to 52 degrees. Part number 1. Now students, the required angle BAC is equal to 52 degrees. We have to write there 52 degrees and this is the required angle which we have to measure in part number 1. This is. And now students, part number 2, construct the angle bisector of BAC such that it cuts BC, measures and write down the MCS such that C is a point where the angle bisect the bisector of BAC cuts BC. Now we have to make the angle bisector. In question number 6, we have to make the line bisector. There we have to make the angle bisector. Okay. Now first we have to place the protractor at compass at point A. Draw that line. Then we have to place at that point. Then at that point. And it cuts. And this is the angle bisector. And now we have to join this point. This is the angle of 52 degrees. Now we have to join this point and it cuts where the line cuts, it is the point S. It is given in the part number 2. Now we have to measure the CS. The CS is equal to approximately 3.9. This is equal to measure CS is equal to 3.9 centimeter. And now students, this is the part number 2 and this question is solved. You can write the construction steps same what you have done in this question, and it is approximately same as in question number 6. Now students, question number 8, construct triangle PQR such that measure PQ is 9.5 centimeter, PR is 8.5 centimeter and PR is 9.8 centimeter. First we draw the triangle and draw the line 9.8 centimeter with the help of the ruler. This is 9.8 centimeter. This is QR, 9.8 centimeter. Now students, we have to open the compass 9.5. This is 9.5 and we have to draw the at point Q, because we have to draw the line PQ, and at point Q draw the line like that, and at point R we have to draw the line 8.5. Open the compass 8.5. Now students, open the compass 8.5 and draw the arc from point R. It cuts at point P. Now joining this point and we get the required triangle. And this PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter and PQ is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Now students, part number 1, measure and write down the size of the angle facing the shortest side. अब हमने measure करना है right. Now students, we have to write that angle. This is facing the shortest side. Now we have to measure it and write the answer. And now students, this is equal to 50. Now students, we have to measure that angle and this is equal to 52 degrees. And angle PQR is 52 degrees. And this is the part number 1. Now students, part number 2, construct the perpendicular bisector of QR such that it cuts PQ. Measure and write down the QT such that T is a point where the perpendicular bisector of QR cuts PQ. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of QR. To draw the perpendicular bisector, we have to open the compass more than half, then draw the lines above and below. And this is the perpendicular bisector. And they cut at point X and Y. Now joining this point, we get the perpendicular bisector. This is the perpendicular bisector. And it cuts the line at point T. It is given in our question. And now we have to measure and write the length of QT. And this is exactly equal to 8 centimeter. You can see that the QT is exactly equal to 8 centimeter. This is exactly equal to 8 centimeter. And now students, we can write QT is equal to 8 centimeter. Part number 2 and Meyer QT is equal to 8 centimeter. And now students, this question is solved and point of construction are similar, probably similar to the question number 6, and I hope so you can write it easily. And I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.